This home-style authentic recipe is so delicious and full of flavors. Let's make it. Start by adding oil to the pan. Add 2 medium onions cut into slices. Sauté until light golden. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sauté for a few minutes. Add 2 cups of potatoes cut into small chunks. Sauté for 5 minutes. Now add 1 kilogram of chopped spinach. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium-low heat. After 15 minutes, sauté and cook on medium heat for a few more minutes. Add 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 whole hot green chilies, and 2 mild green chilies cut into slices. Mix it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix it and put the lid on. Cook on low heat for 10 more minutes. Finish it up with some cilantro, green chili and dried fenugreek leaves. Mouth-watering and delicious spinach and potatoes is ready. Enjoy with your favorite naan or plain rice. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.